you call this guy? It's like capitalism. Yeah. Yeah, what's up guys? Your boy Jason's here. Today I'm at I was talking largemouth, and I caught one. Alright, pot number one on the trap. What you call this guy? It's like capitalism. Yeah. On the trap. So I came over here to Opeka, who are my YouTube fans, and they were catching yellow bass. So they gave me some of their jig and bobbers. So we'll try it out, see how many fish I got. Let's go meet them. Yellow bass. So, hey, what's up, man?
Hello.
So, look at this, yellow bass. Tell me what's your name?
My name is Art Donka.
Art Donka. What we target today? Yellow bass, right?
Yellow bass, right.
Yeah, look. Show it to the crowd. Look at this.
All right.
There you go.
Okay.
So you got another yellow bass. A couple more guys over here.
Oh, you video?
Yeah, what's up, man?
Yeah, what's up?
Tell me what's your name?
June.
June.
Hey, what's happening, man?
What you target today, June?
Yeah.
Yellow bass, right?
Yellow bass, yeah.
Doing good?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, guys. Spray around?
Yeah.
I'll be back. Put you on YouTube, man. Ready? Couple more guys over here. Tell what's your name?
Hey, I'm Nars.
Nars.
We see fishing for yellow bass.
Oh, the
This
Opeka.
place.
How many you got so far?
I think I got 15 already.
Wow, 15 already, huh? Yeah.
Oh, this is Jason,
My new friend.
my guy in fishing.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
And this is my wife.
That's his wife. She's shy, guys. She's shy. How many you got already?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing. Oh
Okay, thank you.
no. Oh, look at this guy. He's killing over here. Look at this guy over here. Whoa.
Hey, hello.
Tell him what's your name.
My name is Mario.
Mario.
Fishing Topeka
Yeah,
for
the
yellow
big guy
bass.
For yellow bass. Look at
Yeah.
this. Wow.
Yellow bass.
Catching yellow bass, guys. See that? Wow. Good job, man.
Yes. Hey, yellow bass.
Yeah. Here's another one right here. Tell the whole crowd, what's your name? What's your name?
I'm Paul.
Paul. What you catching?
Yellow bass.
Yellow bass too. How you got already? 15? 15? Alright.
Yeah.
He got 15 already. Alright guys. Getting loaded down there. Loaded. Look at that. See him too. Coming. You see, right? It's just like hundreds of them down there. You got to target the one, the aggressive one, that they will pick that up. They literally just come and just look at it, see, and then they will pick that up. Yes, come on, pick that up. I could see them now, look at that. There's hundreds out there. Just target one like aggressive one. Finally! Fish on. I got one, yeah! There you go, boy. Yellow bass. Yellow bass. There you go. Target some yellow bass. There you go. I always target try looking for, you know, buckless fish, largemouth, but I end up see my guys over here catching yellow bass. So here we go. Look at this guy, beautiful. Yeah, that's look, the whole school's right here, man. Yeah, like the whole school's right here. And I see him he just barely picked that thing up. He just picked that thing up, that's it. The whole school's right here. There you go, here you come, here you come. Here you come. Oh, I see him. I don't know what to say, but so as soon as I cross the list and I come here, drove by, see a whole bunch of my guy fishing for a yellow bass. So I'm like, hey, these, they let me borrow that jigs, and you know, came enjoy them. Ooh, that's a nice one. Wow, that's a big one right there. So, got my first yellow bass. I mean, the freaking motor right there. It's the old school here. Come on, pick that up. There, look at that. You look at my bait. Take it. Man, it's cold, guys. It's freezing over here. I heard that tastes good, this yellow bass. I haven't had them, but I say it's pretty much good. So. You want it? Come on, take it. Girl number 2. Good size. Number 2. Wow. I heard that tastes good, huh? Should keep like a couple for. They literally just picked it up, man. Yeah, you drop right there, right? They look at it and then they look at it and then they. First they look at it and then they go after it. They just like they look at it first and then they target it.
You gotta smell it and then, you know,
Number 3 right here. It's so beautiful the thing is, guys. Focus. Yellow bass they call. I heard it tastes good. Better than I heard it tastes better than white bass. Alright. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, look at that yellow bass guy. Point 1, number 4. Number 4. This is called yellow bass because the belly is yellow. Yes, the belly is yellow. So you know how I go. It's not hitting now.
yeah.
Yay!
Got it.
Finally, right.
Finally got one. There you go.
Nice yellow bass.
A YouTube fan got one. Look at this.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Catch one. Oh, the YouTube fan over there. Okay, guys, that's it for today. It's getting freaking cold. Hey,
Hello.
did pretty good. How you do? Pretty good.
Oh, pretty good.
Catching pretty good.
Yes, sir.
All yellow bass, right?
Yellow bass.
Yep. Tell to the view. Catching yellow bass.
Catching yellow bass.
Yeah. Yep. Yellow bass. That's all they catch. See here. But they're good eating. I heard they're really good eating. There. Deep fry holes, I guess. But yeah. Alright. See you later. Peace out. Yep.